Welcome to Custom Art Tutorials. In this step-by-step video, I'll show you how to measure your custom sizes for printed displays such as walls, banners, posters, and other POP materials. Accurate measurements are the key to a flawless fit, so let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a tape measure, a pencil or marker, paper or a measurement template to record your sizes, and a step stool or step ladder if necessary. When measuring a graphic or wall space, measure the entire width and height to the nearest eighth of an inch. Always round your measurement up to the nearest eighth of an inch. These will be the overall dimensions of your custom size that you will enter into Regulator. When measuring walls or other interior surfaces, it's important to note any objects such as switches, panels, shelves, or other features that will interrupt your artwork. This wall has a light switch, so we will need to measure and mark its location. This will help the production team design your artwork so you won't have any objects interrupting the images or text in your graphic. Remember to add photos of the area and any important notes or installation considerations when entering your custom sizes into Regulator. When measuring a graphic for a fixture or POP display, first measure and record the visible width and height of the artwork to the nearest eighth of an inch. If your fixture has a frame or some type of stand to hold the graphic, you will need to measure and account for any additional margins or bleeds. Measure the frame margins and add them to the measurements of your visible area as required. You can also remove and measure any existing artwork in the fixture to get your overall dimensions. You may also need to measure and record any required material thickness for your POP to properly fit into your fixture. Remember to add photos of the area and any important notes or installation considerations when entering your custom sizes into Regulator. Banners and flags are high-impact visual solutions used for everything from trade shows to retail spaces and are versatile enough to be used indoors or outdoors. To ensure your banners fit perfectly into their space, it's essential to take precise measurements. Let's walk you through the steps. When measuring for a new custom banner, first you'll need to decide where the banner will be placed. Consider visibility in the space. Think about how much of the banner will be visible and the optimal viewing distance for your graphics to be displayed clearly without getting cut off. You should also determine whether it will be hung from a wall or ceiling, mounted on a frame, or displayed on a stand. Knowing how your banner will be hung will determine if your banner will require hanging grommets, pull pockets, or other finishing options. Now, let's determine your banner measurements. First, measure the width of the banner. Write down this measurement to the nearest eighth of an inch for accuracy. Next, measure the height of the banner. Again, record this measurement to the nearest eighth of an inch. If your banner is to be mounted on an existing pole or frame system, be sure to measure to the outside or inside of the frame as required. Account for any necessary margins. Add appropriate extra space on each side if you need to accommodate grommets, hems, pull pockets, Velcro, or other finishing touches. Remember to add any other important notes or installation considerations when entering your custom sizes into Regulator. To learn more about custom art sizes, materials, and market checks, contact us today. Thanks for watching!